Hey everybody, from Jeff's Little Engine Service. I want to show you a real common problem with these MTD mowers. That's one there, that's one there. They're all built the same, just different manufacturers put their name on them. This is an old Montgomery Ward's, and this was an MTD here. The problem I'm referring to is right here. And what happens is when you try to start it, let me get on here. Let's see. Choke. We're in neutral. Nothing. The problem is down here. We need to pull this back a little bit. I don't know if I can do that and hold the camera. Let's see. Let me do it with my leg. Oh, nope. So the problem is it gets worn. You see how that gets worn there? Or the teeth get worn and it doesn't hold the blade. Doesn't hold the blade engagement lever back far enough. So there's a couple ways to fix that. And as you can see, we've already lost some material on the lever here. We've probably lost some material on the teeth, but doesn't look that bad. But basically, there's a couple ways to fix this. You can bend that bracket a little bit to make it sit back a little farther, but the fact that we've already lost some material here, I think it would be a good idea to weld something onto it to hold it back a little bit farther. Let's see. You know, now that I think of it, I think I made that repair on this model here back in the day. Pretty. See what I did? So I just welded a nut on there, and that allows it to go back far enough. I think I'll do something similar to that for this repair. As you can see, it's just was a nut I had laying around that I added on there. But it's what we needed. Doing this with my eyes closed. Whew. Well, what do you think, guys? Is that going to be good enough? I think so. Yeah. I think that'll work. Well, right on. I think that was the last thing I needed to do to this mower. And put it up for sale. Let's see if this works now. Oh, dudes! I got a fire going on in there from that welding. Holy crap! Damn, that was close. All right, let's see if this one works now.